Hey guys, this is JVT Guns back at you with another gun video. In today's video, I'll be showing you my cardboard SIG Sauer P238 subcompact pistol. It's a very small handgun. It looks like a 1911, or at least the SIG 1911, that shoots in 380. Nothing much I can really show you because the gun just is so small. So, but it is a handgun based on the 1911 of handguns, as you can see by how the trigger look is designed and the safety and slide catch, all three of which does not work on this gun. But what does work, first up, the gun does have a set of iron sights. It has a magazine that is small to reflect the fact that it shoots 380, which is a small round. I think it's smaller than like a 9mm. Either around the size or smaller. But I just know it is not as strong as a 9mm, if I remember correctly. And my favorite part about this gun, the slide. Nothing much I can really say about this gun, other than the fact that this was a requested handgun. And for a while I thought, I don't know about this gun. I mean, it's a subcompact gun. But now that I finally made it, I have to admit now, I like it. I like it a lot. Will it be a gun I'll consider buying in real? No, the real deal? No, definitely not. I will lean more toward a 9mm instead. But in cardboard form, this gun is really amazing. It definitely gives you that little self-defense feel with this gun, like concealed carry. I like how this gun just turned out. Although now that I'm thinking about it, the recording of this video, I should have added like some little screws on the panels. You know, give it a little bit of extra detail, extra flair, and some slide serrations, both of which I did not do. And there's nothing much I can really say about this gun. I don't know what video game, or I don't know if there's been any video games for any matter. I mean, you can say something about it. 1911, the actual real 1911, or even the SIG in 1911, which appears in Rainbow Six Siege. Like this gun, I can't even say it appeared in Siege, but it still does look pretty damn cool. So cool that I do have a tutorial coming out for this gun on this upcoming Sunday at 1 p.m. I will set up a premiere for that video so you guys can see when it's dropping. And yeah, that is the SIG P238 pistol. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, be sure to leave a like on the video, comment down in the comment section down below your thoughts and your suggestions. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and you are enjoying the content, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a video when I upload. Check out my Instagram page where I post up artwork and all kinds of stuff. I just recently posted 2 pieces of art on the page over there, so definitely check it out. And while at it, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. And until then, hope y'all had a happy Merry Christmas. And I will see you guys in the next video, or in this case, a tutorial video. See you guys then. Peace out, and have a good one.